Good evening. As you are all well aware, Old Sturbridge Village is an iconic recreation of a late 18th and early 19th century New England village. With over 40 historic structures that were relocated to our 200-acre property, the village has leveraged these period buildings to educate and immerse visitors from all over the world for close to 75 years. It is not a coincidence that these structures still stand this day. Over the decades, the village has spent millions of dollars and countless hours toward the important work of preserving these structures. From the Salem Townhouse to the blacksmith shop, each structure has a unique story to tell. Your generous support to the village over the years has enabled the museum to preserve these important historic buildings and supported the team who bring their stories to life every day. Your donations have also provided the support to build new buildings in our museum. If you have visited the village in the past few months, you will no doubt see the active construction of the cabinet shop. Located on the Common and modeled after period shops, the new building will be pivotal in telling the important story of New England's renowned cabinet-making tradition. Look to see the project completed in time for the 75th anniversary in 2021. Over the years, it has been a pleasure to serve on the Old Sturbridge Village Board of Trustees. As chairman of the Campus Operations Committee, I have witnessed firsthand how critical donor support is to the preservation of our architectural treasures. As we face a global pandemic together and many museums struggle to meet their needs, I urge each and every one of you to consider giving to Old Sturbridge Village. To those of you who have supported us, I thank you and hope to see you in the village soon.